Iran's Revolutionary Guard released footage of a target representing
The conflict between Iran and Israel has entered a new and more dangerous phase, marked by the use of drones and advanced missile technology. In recent events, Iran has launched unmanned aerial vehicles toward Israel, signaling a shift in how modern conflicts are fought. These drones can travel long distances, evade detection, and carry explosive payloads, making them a powerful and unpredictable threat. In a dramatic escalation at sea, Iran has demonstrated its growing use of drone warfare against U.S. naval forces. Reports indicate that Iranian drones have approached American aircraft carriers operating in international waters, signaling a new kind of military pressure. In retaliation, the United States military released unclassified footage showcasing a series of precise and coordinated strikes against Iranian targets. The video captures powerful moments of American air and missile attacks, destroying armored vehicles, missile launch systems, and key military infrastructure. According to U.S. Central Command, these strikes were part of a broader operation aimed at weakening Iran's offensive capabilities and reducing the threat to U.S. forces and allies in the region. The footage highlights advanced targeting systems, with explosions hitting concealed launch sites and strategic facilities with high accuracy. Iran launched a coordinated wave of 12 Shahed drones toward the Strait of Hormuz, targeting U.S. naval forces, including the aircraft carrier USS Abraham Lincoln. The drones were deployed as part of a strategic operation aimed at challenging American presence in the region and testing the defenses of one of the world's most powerful naval fleets.